AUIS College of Pharmacy is honored to host this symposium, welcoming over 200 guests, including doctors, professors from different universities, discussing the integration of AI into pharmacy education.
I am Dr. Muhammad Omar Muhammad, Professor of Medicine, Consultant Gastroenterologist. I am delighted to be here to participate in this interesting symposium, which is arranged by the American University in Suleimani. It was about the artificial intelligence future in pharmacogenomic and drug prescription.
Today's symposium is about prescription of the future pharmacy for 21st century, which focus on improving healthcare system in the future through integration pharmacogenomics, artificial intelligence into pharmacy professions to improve the patient care and medication management.